morning all of you. How are you all? In the last lecture we got an information about a tag and we well understood about how to insert a hyperlink in our web page. So student, in today's lecture I will teach you table tag in HTML. Table tag is used to create a tabular format in our web page. Number of four inner tags are available, such as like caption tag, tr tag, th tag and td tag. First let's understand its object. Caption tag. Caption tag is used to display a table heading into table. tr tag. tr tag is used to insert a new row into table. th tag. th tag is used to insert a column in heading. td tag. td tag is used to insert a data or record into table. Let us see practical demonstration to understand table tag very well. To open a run window, press window R, type here notepad keyword, purely press enter. If you want to maximize this window, so press alt space X. So student, today I repeat again, there are 4 steps are required to create a HTML document. In angular bracket HTML and enter one time tab HEAD and title tag start TITLE and title tag complete with backward slash TITLE and enter one time tab head tag complete with backward slash and enter body tag start BODY and enter at the end body tag complete with backward slash and enter at the end last HTML tag is complete with backward slash. Your second step is give title in between title tag. Give title according your program name. So I will write here only table keyword TEBLE, right? Your third step is save your file. So press Ctrl S. Save your file on desktop location and give your file name according your program name. So I will write here table.html, table.html and press enter. If you want to active your desktop, then press window D one time space, select your file and open your file. If you want to navigate this window, so press Alt Tab. Write all tags in body tag between. Right here table border TABLE, table border is equal to 10 and enter caption tag start CAPN and student information, give caption student information form FOR information form caption tag complete with backward slash CAPS and enter tr tag start tr and th table heading student name STUDENT NAM and one time tab TH means that table heading, roll number, yellow one time tab TH full marks, complete TR tag with backward slash and enter, start TR tag and enter one time tag TD tag start. TD tag is used to table data. Write your student name on and enter one time tab TD tag start. Give roll number 12 and enter one time tab TD tag start. Give marks 43. TR tag complete with backward slash. Let's see its output. So save your file again, Ctrl S, navigate this window, Alt tab, refresh your page, F5. Now you can see student information form in table in our web page. So student, in today's lecture we got an information about table tag. So student, in next lecture I will teach you about form tag. So thank you everyone.